A Queensland woman has taken the extraordinary step of writing to the State Attorney General to plead for justice for her niece, whose life was allegedly taken almost 10 years ago. Breeana Robinson, 21, was allegedly thrown from an 11th-story Gold Coast unit balcony in 2013 by her de facto partner Dan Shearin, who is now known as Jayden Moorea. Watch the video above. Breeana Robinson's family emotional plea 10 years after her death. Watch the latest news on Channel 7 or stream for free on 7plus. In 2019, Moorea was charged with her murder, but, nearly 10 years after Robinson's death, he still hasn't stood trial. Robinson's family has grown increasingly frustrated at the wait to take her alleged killer to trial. They have also expressed fears prosecutors may be considering downgrading the murder charge. In a letter to Attorney General Shannon Fentiman, Robinson's aunt Janine McNee described her niece as vivacious and full of life. She said she became a dancer and cheerleader for the Gold Coast Titans NRL club despite having a vision impairment. In the letter, McNee also raised comments by Moorea's lawyer in Southport Magistrates Court on August 30 suggesting the murder charge could be dropped by the State Director of Public Prosecutions. "We seek transparency as to what the DPP's intentions are, as we strongly oppose a plea deal, or for this conviction to be downgraded from murder," she wrote in the letter seen by 7 News. "I call for your intervention and investigation into this matter, and the outcome that the serious criminal charges against Shearin/Moorea for the murder of Breeana Robinson is not dropped to a lesser charge, or erased altogether." In an interview with 7 News, McNee said she felt compelled to write to Fentiman after she decided I wasn't going to wait on hearing from the DPP. "It's frustrating. It's heartbreaking," she said. "You go through a wave of emotions. You think, yes, finally, we're going to trial, and then we're still waiting to hear on a trial date." Moorea was released on bail on the murder charge in 2019 but was recently back in custody over separate matters. Among his bail conditions at the time were that he alert police if he intended to start a sexual relationship with a woman. Courts had previously heard evidence from biomechanics experts who determined Robinson was thrown from the balcony. Moorea allegedly sent Robinson a barrage of vile text messages in the days before her death, saying things like "you stupid F idiot," or "a complete F moron," and "I don't want a stupid dumb FC in my life." He denies killing Robinson, who was initially thought to have taken her own life. Defense solicitor Chris Haney, for Moorea, said the matter has gone on for too long. But his team is not willing to rush the prosecution. The Crown have to be satisfied. "We're happy for them to be satisfied. They need some time to make some decisions," he told 7 News. "If they need that time, so be it. The defense is not one to rush things because it's an extraordinarily serious matter." Haney also suggested the Crown is weighing the strength of its case, making up their mind having regards to the conversations we've had with the Crown, not necessarily the police. "The reports that have been obtained by the Crown don't help them in any way," he said. "The Crown is still making up their mind what they're going to do. They've adjourned to October to hopefully make a decision, so there can be some closure one way or another. If they decide to go to trial, there won't be a trial until next year. If they decide to do otherwise, then that matter will be brought back before the court and the appropriate application will be made." The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, ODPP, said prosecutors are still considering the evidence. "This is a highly complex matter," an ODPP spokesperson told 7 News. The ODPP wishes to make it clear that it is still considering the available evidence and no determination has been made as to how the matter will proceed. "We have been in contact with the family and they are aware of the position. As the matter is still before the court, the ODPP will not comment any further." With Allison Sandy and Steve Hart. And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.